Nothing's previous two smartphones were released in July 2022 and July 2023, but Nothing Phone 3 are not coming this year as we already know. Nothing founder and CEO Carl Pei outright announced the fact that the Nothing Phone 3 is only going to launch in 2025. That's a pretty huge delay compared to the usual high-end smartphone yearly refresh cycle. From AI to improved features, a better camera and more powerful hardware, there's a lot in the pipeline for Nothing 3. We think the Nothing Phone 3 will probably feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or 8 Gen 4. The Phone 3 should come in three variants: 8GB plus 128GB, 12GB plus 256GB, and 12GB plus 512GB. The Nothing Phone 3 boasts a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. We hope Nothing Phone 3 uses triple camera setup. The Nothing Phone 2 comes with a 4700 mAh battery. We expect a bump in capacity, aiming at 5000 mAh for Phone 3. The last generation Nothing supports 45W fast wired charging and 15W wireless. Nothing Phone 2 launched at $600, but with several design and software upgrades expected in Phone 3, we might expect a slight price increase. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.